Okay, I don't know if you guys remember the building that Zach and I tried hitting a while back, but we were back there and we weren't able to hit it last time. And now we are revisiting it, and apparently there's actually a way to hit it. Car coming. When we find an entrance, I'll let you guys back up, because I don't want, it's blurry, but I don't want anyone knowing the location, the road that we're at. So we'll see in a second. Yeah. Here, you want to take this?
It's in my hand though.
I got you. Gotta hurry though. God damn, monkey.
It's in my blood, baby. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. You fat ass. Come on, let's go. Oh my god, bro. Idiot.
Wait, what?
Son of a
You're a loud ass stepper, bro. Oh hell no. Alright.
alternate route.
Who's next? Yeah, this place is. What the hell?
This floor is not.
This is not stable at all. Oh my god. Get her up.
That'd be crazy.
She fell.
Oh damn, bro.
Damn, she's got bigger balls than all of us. I don't know how much I trust this floor anymore. Dude. What the fuck? This is like, all this floor is like super uneven. What?
The alarm!
Oh shit. Go. Go.
There's an alarm that went off.
Yeah. Go! I'm hopping this bitch. Here. Hold on.
I thought there was a motion detector.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Hurry. Are they still stuck over there? I'm gonna go. Is everyone out? Yeah. Is everyone out? Yeah, okay. Where's the Dimitri at? Whoa, dude, we gotta run, come on. Let's go, come on. We gotta go. Well, that was a failed attempt. Well, unfortunately, that was a very failed attempt. Yeah, I know what happens. Fuck. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh my god. That shit was scary. I didn't hear the alarm go off until like until we started running, bro. That scared me. Why do you think I parked in reverse? That was something else, man. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to title this video like alarm goes off while exploring, something like that, or like almost caught. Dude, that adrenaline it gives you though feels so good.
Fuck yeah.
I love the adrenaline it gives you. Wait. Who's the one that heard the alarm in the first place?
Huh?
You heard the dude. Like what?
We walked around that corner, so you know where I fell, and then there was that corner. We went around there, and I was gonna look down, and then we heard someone like screaming. But
Yeah, and it was the one. It was like, and I was like, Yeah, it was bad.
So I don't know why we're just standing here, because I kind of feel like there's gonna be squad cars that are showing up to that building.
Where should we go?
Cave, there's.
Oh, that's so Ted Bundy's cave is actually in it's in Salt Lake, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like over there
that's in
somewhere.
Salt Lake.
Yeah.
Oh, that's in Salt Lake. Yeah,
And then there's
Yo, I want to go exploring now, like all night, bro, like all night.
I don't care if I got one.
Where?
I'm calling down.
Are you actually down?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So for the Ted Bundy though, it's gonna be a hike because you have to pay to get into it, and then it's more of a drive, and then it's like more of a hike. So I went over the footage of the Smith and Edwards building that we just hit, and I don't know if you guys remember this, but Zach and I actually hit this building probably, I think it was a few months ago if I'm correct. I say we attempted it because we couldn't find a way in, and it wasn't until just recently when my buddy Daniel found an entrance into the actual building itself. And one night we were just like hanging out and stuff like that, and Daniel's like, yo, you guys want to go? I was like, you know what, that'd be cool as crap. So we went, and I didn't even know what building we were hitting until we actually ended up going. So I went over the footage, and I forgot the fact that I didn't film an outro. So here's the outro. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have a poll on my Instagram story in the next little bit to see if you guys like the abandoned building videos more, or if you guys like the lifestyle / car videos more. I low-key want to do a mixture of both, because like it's a lifestyle kind of a thing, because we only do abandoned buildings every so often, I should say. But yeah, man, I hope you guys really like this video. If you guys like this video, if it made you laugh, if it kind of scared you in any way possible at all, okay, hit that like button. And if I made your day any better by watching this video, please hit that subscribe button, okay? We're slowly growing, and this is amazing, okay? And after you hit that subscribe button, there's going to be a little notification bell right next to that, and it'll let you know when I upload, which isn't very often. Every time we do upload, it's a freaking banger. And with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.